How to change Gmail profile picture on Android. So to change that, what you have to do is open up your Gmail, or you can simply go to Google, and then here under Google, on the upper right corner, you will have your profile icon. Tap on your profile and then tap on manage your Google account, and here you will have that L sign, right? That sign will be different in your phone because it is based on your username or your name's first letter. So tap on that, and after that, on the bottom corner, you will have add profile picture. Tap on add profile picture, and from here you can choose a profile picture, or you can also choose device photos, which is on the right side of illustrations. So you can browse your photo, or you can take a photo right now. So tap on that, and then you can tap on camera if you want to take the photo right now, or you can simply tap on files if you want to choose a photo which is already on your phone. So after choosing a photo, tap on next, and then here it is asking you to save as profile picture, and it is also has an option that says visible to anyone, so you can also change that. And after that, you can tap on save as profile picture, and from here you can change your profile picture, or you can remove your profile picture. So that's it, guys. That's how you change your profile picture, and now you can see that you have changed your profile picture. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.